Hello, we are in Photoshop. I'm going to make the designs like that. So first of all, I will remove it. Then I will show you how I can use the pen tool design to create a frame for a picture. So that will be a random frame. Embed the image. Get that image from the device gallery. So I will stretch it over that. Now I will apply over it and make it fixed. So there I will create a clipping mask for it. Now we can move it anywhere in the frame, so that is looking like that. We can make the different styles, shapes and the frames for that picture.